How to prevent Flash components from blocking Firefox keyboard shortcuts. Whenever a Flash code takes control in Firefox, Firefox keyboard shortcuts stop functioning. Is there a way to fix this?
From the Flash Player FAQ. Keyboard shortcuts cannot be used when Flash Player is loaded. This is a known problem with all plugins, not just Flash Player. There are several bugs filed on this issue. Bug list.
Unless you are having this problem when you are specifically trying to look at Flash, you should definitely install the Flash Block extension. It's one of the best as it means you only have to look at the Flash you want to see, when you want to see it.
I've researched this recently, and if you're running Linux, you can follow the somewhat complicated instructions to create your own extension, which monitors the system keyboard input.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.